Hey there, so I want to share with you some tips and tricks for migraines. So, of course, we've got our prescription medicines. These, maybe these, these, or these, or these, or any of these. Or we can go with the over-the-counter approach. So, of course, you've got your Excedrin migraine or your cheap value brand that does the exact same thing. Or you can try some powders or the simple fans approach. You can see I've got one here, up there, and the cool air helps me. Also, a great thing to try is tea. Mint anything helps with migraines. Mint tea, mint chapstick, rub some under your nose. Works great. Of course, ice packs, but it is not always convenient. Now, there is this other one you might not have heard of that I do love. So, this is the kid version only because it's on sale and I love me a good sale. So, this is a cooling pouch. So, it's like an ice pack that you can stick on your head and you can walk around. You might look like an idiot, but I'll be honest, I don't give a fuck when I have a migraine how stupid I look. So, I'm cutting this open because I've actually already used one and then reseal it with my own home tricks to keep it fresh. So, this is a whole pouch and this just sticks on. So, I cut them in half so I can get double the usage out of it. So, I'm going to cut this patch in half. Wish I grabbed bigger fucking scissors. That would have just been smart. So, of course, I didn't. Then I'm going to save this and then reseal this back up with my heat sealer. That way it stays good. Now, I don't have the biggest forehead, and these pouches are huge. Keep in mind, these are fucking kids' pouches. So, what I do is I cut it in half again. I'd love to know what fucking kid fits a whole one of these on their forehead when realistically 1/4 is good. But so I like to do it across my whole head and I like to do a narrow strip. So that's why I cut it so many times. So what I do is I get the chunkiest part, the center, and I like to put that at the concentration area. If that was not the right word, I like to put that at like where my migraine concentrates. So right now it's like killing me here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line up this big beefy part with that. So I peel off this backing. Clearly it's meant for adult help because I'm struggling. And again, big beefy side. This is a nice sticky gel adhesive. And what's really great about this is I'm allergic to adhesives. So this gel, I don't know what exactly they use to make it stick, but I do not have a reaction to it, which is great. And it sticks on its own. I do recommend you take it easy, you relax for like 30 minutes, at least get this to take some effect. And lying down, of course, will help keep this on. Now, if these don't stay on, you can, of course, put a piece of tape across your head if you're moving around. But again, I'm allergic to adhesive, so if I can avoid that, that is ideal. So this is half a strip. You get 8 in the box, and I have doubled my usage of them, and I'm just sealing this one up for later, which is cool. Again, you might not look as fabulous with these puppies on, as you would without. But be honest, who the fuck cares what you look like? And if your head hurts, doubly, who the fuck cares what you look like? So if you have migraines and you don't want to take 100,000 pills and you just do not have time to lay there in the dark with an ice pack, try these. I recommend them. They are called Be Cool Soft Gel Sheets. They have kids, adult sizes. They're all sort of the same. I've tried all different ones. So it doesn't really matter what brand you get. It's worth a shot, not putting anything bad in your body, and you don't have to take 1,000 pills. Now, not all migraines work with sticky gel, but it definitely helps. So if this was helpful, or you liked seeing me like a doofus, you like fun videos, you like informative videos, you like helpful videos, you like videos, you like the way my face looks, you don't like the way my face looks, like, subscribe, comment, follow, do all that fun stuff. Thanks, guys.